Train will watch out.
I think people are going to see Tyson's in a whole new way as they ride through it on the Silver Line.
From on board a test train, we get our first look at what it'll be like on the elevated Silver Line tracks.
Yeah, we're about 96% done for substantial completion, and we're getting closer.
The Spring Hill station towers over Tyson's, and while it isn't open to the public yet, we're getting a look inside the new station. The pedestrian bridges will give riders and shoppers alike a safe way to cross above the busy traffic below.
Building the bridges was one of the key aspects.
They were pre-built nearby and then carefully put in place.
This segment that we're standing in currently was lifted by a crane, a mobile crane in this area, because it was a smaller section.
All of the stations in the first phase of the Silver Line were built simultaneously, so they're all pretty much in the punch list phase, where there are small things that need to be finished, like these shelters. They've added little things, power outlets to the shelter areas for customers. There are easily accessible public restrooms, and they're using energy-efficient lighting throughout.
The project is running up to 8 weeks behind schedule, but crews are finishing the 5 stations and doing the necessary testing on the 11.7-mile first phase of the Silver Line, with the goal of having it open to the public by early 2014, if not sooner.
Right now we're making sure that it works and that safety and efficiency and effectiveness are where they need to be, that we can assure everybody that it's going to be safe and it's going to do what we say it's going to do.
And if this short, slow ride on the test train is any indication, it will be a whole new way to experience Tyson's Corner. On the Silver Line, Chris Van Cleve, ABC 7 News.